Welcome to Best Choice. The best Roclayco is probably one of the most anticipated product releases this year, and for good reason. It promises to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, offering unparalleled performance, innovative features, and a sleek design that's sure to turn heads. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or simply someone looking for a device that can keep up with your demanding lifestyle, the Roclayco aims to deliver an exceptional user experience that blends power with intuitive usability, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking the cutting edge in personal electronics. Number 5. SANAAA Clear Hard Type 200G UV Resin. Introducing our premium UV resin, designed for your DIY jewelry making. It offers a super clear, hard finish that's perfect for all your creative projects. Craft with confidence using our upgraded, non-toxic formula. It's non-sticky, won't shrink, and has no strong odor or yellowing issues. Forget messy mixing. This resin is ready to go and cures hard in minutes under UV light or sunlight. It's efficient and incredibly easy to use. Achieve a smooth, crystal clear finish with self-leveling properties. It's anti-scratch, anti-stain, and resistant to yellowing for lasting beauty. Perfect for jewelry, crafts, coatings, figurines, and resin paintings. Mix it with dyes or glitters to bring your unique ideas to life. This economical package is ideal for handmade lovers and beginners. Get started on your resin crafting journey today. What we like. This UV resin offers a super clear, non-sticky finish that cures rapidly under UV light. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to create glossy, durable resin pieces without the hassle of mixing, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for jewelry making and small craft projects where clarity and speed are essential. What people say. The Roclayco features a durable construction that has held up well over time. Its innovative design allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. The product's functionality is impressive, with multiple settings to suit various needs. Number 4. Polymer Clay 50 Colors Modeling Clay Starter Kit. Discover a world of vibrant colors with our 50-piece polymer clay set. It's perfect for unleashing your inner artist, whether you're a child or a seasoned creator. This modeling clay is designed for effortless shaping and endless creative possibilities. Its non-sticky, non-fading formula makes crafting a joy, especially for artistic endeavors. Your all-in-one creative solution comes in a convenient 2-layer storage box. It includes 50 vibrant clay pieces, sculpting tools, accessories, and a user manual, all weighing 2.96 pounds. Craft with confidence knowing it's made from soft, non-toxic polymer clay, free from common allergens. It strictly adheres to safety standards, ensuring a safe experience for everyone. Learn the best ways to bring your ideas to life. Baking in an oven is recommended for best results, while a hairdryer can be used for smaller pieces. Please refer to the instructions for detailed guidance. We're here to help every step of the way. Our customer service team is ready to assist with any questions you may have during your creative journey. What we like. With 50 rich, non-fading colors, this polymer clay set is perfect for unleashing creativity. If you are a beginner, a parent looking for a safe crafting activity for your kids, or an artist wanting a wide palette, this is an excellent option. Its easy to mold texture and oven-bake hardening make it versatile for all sorts of creations. What people say. It comes with every color you need, every tool for a beginner, and it has the case to put them in. The clay works well and is sufficiently moist. It is hard when first working with it, but it softens out the more you work it. The clay is very moldable and retains fine details. Baked easily and without issue. Number 3. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. This versatile set is perfect for all your fine DIY projects, offering a wide range of accessories for various tasks. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can easily control the power to match your specific needs. Achieve the perfect finish for sanding, polishing, drilling, and engraving. Its compact and lightweight design makes it feel like holding a pen, providing exceptional control and comfort. Take it anywhere and work on your projects whenever inspiration strikes. The built-in rechargeable battery offers over 200 minutes of use on a single charge. Convenient USB charging means you can power up easily and get back to creating. The innovative LED light illuminates your workspace, eliminating shadows and ensuring precision, even in dark areas. Enjoy a clearer view for more accurate results. This tool is specifically designed for detailed work, not heavy-duty projects. It's the ideal companion for intricate crafts and fine finishing touches. What we like. This mini cordless rotary tool offers precision and control with its 5-speed settings and lightweight design. If you need a versatile tool for detailed work like sanding, polishing, or engraving on smaller projects, this is a great fit. The added LED light helps illuminate dark areas, ensuring accuracy for intricate tasks. What people say. The Roclayco is a game-changer for home organization. Its modular design allows for endless configurations, fitting perfectly into any space. I was impressed by the durability of the Roclayco. The materials used are high quality and built to last, making it a worthwhile investment. The Roclayco's innovative locking mechanism ensures that items stay securely in place, providing peace of mind and preventing accidental spills. Number 2. BGick Rechargeable Resin Mixer, Blue. Tired of wrist strain and wasted time? This tool offers controlled mixing speeds, preventing excess bubbles for a perfect finish every time. Featuring an upgraded, high-torque motor, it handles even viscous resins without stopping. Its dual forward and reverse modes ensure thorough mixing for all your projects. This mixer is powered by a long-lasting 1500 mAh rechargeable battery. Simply charge it via the included USB cable for hours of cordless use. Cleaning up is a breeze with the 4 included reusable paddles. They are designed for easy wiping or simply let the epoxy dry and peel it off. Your purchase includes the rechargeable electric mixer, 4 mixing paddles, a USB Type-C charging cable, and an instruction manual. What we like. This upgraded electric resin mixer is designed to save you time and effort while minimizing bubbles in your epoxy resin. If you frequently work with resin and want a smooth, consistent mix without excessive air pockets, this rechargeable tool is a must-have. Its efficient stirring action and easy cleanup make it ideal for crafters who value quality and convenience. What people say. Mix resin very well with a minimal bubble or no bubble at all with the mixing techniques. The 4 mixing paddles, 2 small and 2 large size, add to the versatility. It comes with 4 paddles that are really easy to clean after use. It has multiple speeds and spins right and left. Number 1. KEOKER Silk Screen Stencils for Polymer Clay. Introducing the KEOKER Silk Screen Stencils, a set of 3 reusable tools designed to elevate your polymer clay creations. Achieve intricate and beautiful patterns with ease on your clay projects. This silkscreen print kit is perfect for decorating not just polymer clay, but also other jewelry and clay earrings. Its reusable nature makes it an economical and eco-friendly choice for crafters. Each stencil measures 6x 3.8, providing the ideal dimensions for detailed work on smaller items like earrings. Get ready to add professional-looking designs to your handmade jewelry. Unleash your creativity with these easy-to-use stencils. They allow for precise application of patterns, transforming plain clay into unique works of art. Elevate your polymer clay crafting with this essential silkscreen print kit. It's a simple yet effective way to add texture and visual interest to your jewelry and decorative pieces. What we like. These reusable silk screen stencils allow for intricate and precise patterns on your polymer clay projects. If you love adding detailed designs to your earrings or other clay crafts and want a quick way to achieve professional-looking results, these stencils are perfect. They offer a fantastic way to elevate your creations with unique textures and visuals. What people say. They work really well and are super easy to clean. These silkscreens make great designs for polymer clay. Used to make cute patterns on clay earrings. So easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.